Hello, my lovies. Welcome back to my channel. Hello, my lovies. Welcome back to my channel. Today, we are grabbing down on some pizza. If you guys don't know, Famous Pizza is the shit. I don't know if they have them everywhere, but I know here in Queens, Famous Pizza is where it's at. It's basically like Singa's, which I'm pretty sure Singa's is everywhere. It's like little 10-inch pizzas, and you could get whatever you want on them. I grew up like eating Famous Pizza. That was like the shit back in the day. So yeah, a girl was craving that, and we gonna get it in because you already know the deal. Your girl's starving. If you are new to my channel, welcome to the Fam Bam Lovey. Don't forget to hit the subscribe button and turn on that post notification. Enough mamo jumbo. Let's get down to the nitty gritty because I'm hungry. So I got the, what is it called? The Famous Special, I think that's what it's called. So it has pepperoni, sausage, mushrooms, onions, peppers, and I think that's it. I think. I'm pretty sure. That should be it because it sounds like a lot. So hopefully it don't mess up my tummy. I'm not gonna put it on every slice because if I don't finish this, then, you know, somebody's gonna want some, and I don't wanna, you know, I don't wanna be greedy. All right, let's try it like this first. Like, look at that. You guys can have the first bite. That's bomb. Oh. That was my sister leaving the room. It took me forever to decide what I wanted to eat. I also got ranch that I was holding up. It's Chick-fil-A ranch. It's Chick-fil-A. I got Tabasco sauce too, but I don't know. I don't know if we want that yet. Gotta be careful with this garlic powder because if you guys have never had mushrooms on your pizza, that wasn't a mushroom. That was sausage. Wait. If that's sausage, then what is this ground meat I saw on here? I don't know. Oh my god. That's bomb. Let me try it with some Tabasco. Come on. Come out. I know Tabasco's not for everyone, but it's for me. Gives it a nice kick. Just hitting. Like, if I'm gonna have pizza, it's gonna be Famous. Or Prince Street. But Prince Street's in the city and, you know. I usually just get onions and peppers on mine. But I was craving a little extra today. That's your bomb. So how are my lovies doing? Tomorrow. Well, when you guys see this, it'll be tomorrow. It's Thanksgiving. For me, it's on Thursday. Because today is Tuesday. It's Thanksgiving. What is everybody's plans? Who's cooking? Who's inviting me over? Because our Thanksgiving plans got canceled. No. We're staying home. Because there's some kind of bug going around. First, I was sick. Then, now my sister's sick. My little sister. And I was sick last week. That's why I didn't post. Because I was literally... I couldn't breathe. My nose was stuffy. My asthma was acting out. I have so much mucus. TMI, but very true. I went to the doctor. He didn't know what was wrong with me. I had like a cough. Things weren't tasting right. Took a COVID test. Negative. He took a test. He examined me for everything else. He was like, I don't know what you have. He's like, honestly, he's like, it could just be a cold. Like, you know, the weather's been acting up. Everyone seems to be getting a cold. So I'm like, great. So that was that. So I was down for the count. And now my little sister's down, and she could be better by Thursday, but we don't want to take the chance with my niece, like, to pass anything on to her. So everyone's just gonna stay in their casitas, and that's it. We had an early Thanksgiving anyways. We celebrated on Saturday because we cut a cake for my dad's birthday. So we did a little early Thanksgiving. We got a Popeyes turkey, and everyone made some sides, and yeah. So I had my turkey portion, but if somebody got some better than me, I made some stuffed mushrooms that were chef's kiss. Maybe I'll do, like, I have turkey wings in the freezer that I bought, and I still have some stuffing for my mushrooms in the freezer. So, and there's like still like so much leftover mashed potatoes in the fridge. So maybe I'll do like a little Thanksgiving, you know, maybe I'll go on live. I went on live on Monday for the first, like, not for the first time, but I've gone on live a couple of times. Which, I want to go on live more often. So make sure you have your notifications on so you know when I go on live. It was fun, like, interacting with you guys, you know? So maybe I'll go on live on Thursday. As a little, I'll have like a little Thanksgiving feast live. I'm thankful for all of you guys. For the constant love and support. For always checking on me. I appreciate you guys. And I'm thankful for my family and my family's health and their support and my mental health and the fact that I can truly say I'm happy. Like, I'm at peace. I really worked on myself and my issues and, you know, whatever. I really went through the grieving process, you know, like really accepted it. Got closure, and I'm happy. Like, I'm happy, and I'm so thankful for that, because this time last year I was a hot mess express girl. So I'm happy for my mental health and being able to work on me and to do what really makes me happy. You know what I'm saying? Not everyone is able, no, everyone can, but not everyone does it. So I'm thankful that I'm able to. And yeah, who knows where we're gonna be this time 2023. So we shall see. But I'm talking like it's the end of the year. But it literally is like over. We're already like end of November. Before you know it, Christmas is here. Like, all these Christmas decorations already, like, I'm like, holy crap. I feel like this is the earliest they came out. Usually people wait for the day after Thanksgiving on Black Friday to put all the Christmas decorations up. But this year, I feel like because of TikTok, everyone put it up like come November 1st. Everyone was putting up their Christmas decor. So I'm here for it though. I got something in store for my subscribers this year again come Christmas time, but I don't think I'm gonna talk about it till like, wait, what day are we on? I'm probably gonna talk about it like next week. So yeah. We got exciting things. Mm-hmm. Mm-hmm. This is just water. When you see me drinking out of this, out of my Starbucks cup, it's water. All right, my lovies. I'm wishing everyone and their families a very happy Thanksgiving. I hope you all spend it together. Spend it with your loved ones. Give thanks for everything you have. Don't think about what you don't have. Be grateful for everything you do have. And yeah, don't forget to save me a plate. You know what I'm saying? Don't forget, give this video 2 big thumbs up. Don't forget to like, comment, share, subscribe, tell a friend, tell a friend, tell a friend to join the family. And until next time, remember, let's spread positive vibes, good laughs, and yummy eats. Peace.